ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಬೈ ವಾರ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹಾಡ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಕತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ಜರ್ನಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಜರ್ನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಮೋಹ.
ಯಾವ ಜೀವ ಯಾವ ಭಾವ ಪೂರ್ಣ.
ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಹಾಡು ಮೋಹ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್. ಆ ಹಾಡು ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು, ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್, ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ದ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಸಿಂಗರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಂಪೋಸರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಮೋಹ, ತನುಷಾ, and the music producer, a singer and composer himself, Kirtan Holla, with us. Hi guys, namaskara.
Hello,
Namaste.
namaste.
So tell me, how are you feeling that Moha is doing so well everywhere?
So when we started preparing for this song, process ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆದಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ದ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಹಂಗಿರಬೇಕು ಹಿಂಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ವಿ ವರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ 100%, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ we are very happy that ivattu it's going good and we are very content about how it's going. So yeah.
First of all, how did Moha idea ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಈ ತರ ಹಾಡು? ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ದ ಟ್ಯೂನ್ ಕಮ್? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್? ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್?
ಇದು ಹಿಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಾಸ್ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಟ್ ಕಂಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಸಾಂಗ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಗಿವ್ ಸಮ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಗೇವ್ ಹರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಅಪ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಟ್ಯೂನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ I grabbed something in it like, oh, this is good, we can make it a song ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಸೊ ಮೊದಲು ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಶಿ ಸೆಡ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಹಾಡು ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಹಾಡ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಲೇಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಟ್ ದ ಟ್ಯೂನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್?
The thing layering ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, just guitar chords. I just sent one two progression ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಲೂಪ್ ತರ ನಾನು ಕಳ್ಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. You just hum it, just feel it and just ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ, let me see ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, just an experiment ತರ.
Yeah.
Then
So I think almost like a minute recording, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಗಿಟಾರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫ್ಯೂ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್,
Yeah.
ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾನು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯೂ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯೂ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಅಪ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಐ ಕೇಮ್ ಅಪ್ ವಿತ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಫ್ರೇಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೀ ವಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಟು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್.
Do you remember which two phrases? ಯಾವ line first one?
Yeah, the first thing was the first line of the song.
Okay.
That was the first one.
yeah.
So ಯಾವ ಜೀವ ಅದು ಅವಾಗ ಲಿರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 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 ವಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ.
Fantastic. So ಯಾವ ಥೀಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಈ ಹಾಡಿಗೆ? ಟ್ಯೂನ್ ಬಂತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ ಥೀಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಾಂಗ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎನಿ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಆರ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಟು ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್?
ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ದ ಟ್ಯೂನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡನ್, ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಗೊಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಥೀಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲೇ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಶೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ it has to be related to what I can align with anta. So the few books that I read, adara basis mele nangondu idea iತ್ತು ಈ ಥರನೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ಲೈಫ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. and if you notice the lyrics is somewhat ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ you can take it the way you want. Some people can take it as it is about life, or it can be about ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಲೈಫ್ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೊ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ದ ಲಿರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಹಾಗೆ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ದ ವೇ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಆ ಒಂದು ಥೀಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾನು ವಿ ಬೋತ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ಸಾಂಗು ಅಂತ. ದೆನ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್. ನಾವಿಬ್ಬರು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದೆನ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಕೇಮ್ ಅಪ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲಿರಿಕ್ಸ್. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು ನಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾ.
ವಾವ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ ಮೊದಲಿಂದ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ವರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ The first time that you're working with him?
It was first time only, yeah, of course.
ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಯಾ, ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕನ್ನಡ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ಗೆ.
So we felt he was the right person to execute what we had in our minds. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಡೀಪ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಶಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್, like a spiritual book, anything like life related, and some deep books that inspired him, that he took it very seriously, and he was like, I'll write it and I'll come up with a nice lyric for this. Then once we just met him, then we got to know he was very much into that song and that tune. So yeah, that happened.
Yeah, he's an amazing lyricist. Nam industry hemme anta helbodu, and I would also say a very philosophical and very spiritual human being, and I think he's a perfect fit for this song, right? Perfect fit.
And he has also added a few elements. Or ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು few elements ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿರೋದನ್ನು ನಾನು I'll be putting it up, but I also want to be a part of it, and I want to add a few elements ಅಂತ. Of course we were very happy that he wanted to put his parts as well ಅಂತ. So yeah, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡಿ ಬಂದು ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಲಿರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು.
So how did the shoot happen? Andre, what was the story behind the shoot? Was it your idea that a girl should be walking in a lovely pink skirt and tulips in her hand? So whose idea was it?
ಅಂದರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಕೀರ್ತನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡುವ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಹೌ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗೀತು. ದೆನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ಓಕೆ ಈ ಥರ ಶೇಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರಿಂಗ್ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ. ದೆನ್ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮೈ ಹಂಟ್, ಜಾಗಗಳು ಹುಡ್ಕೋದು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಫರ್ಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗ್ರಫರ್ಸ್ನ ಹುಡ್ಕೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ somehow luckily we found the right videographer for us, and he's an amazing videographer, Yashank anta. So he chose the place Hesraghatta grasslands ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಚೂಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ I just saw it once, and I felt like it will be better if I am in the video.
I think she's no less than a model. In fact, a lot of people during our press meet were asking whether you'd be interested in acting in movies. So how does that feel? Do you think you're going to act in movies?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ. ಮುಂಚೆನೂ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್. ಸೊ ನೋಡೋಣ ಮುಂದೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್.
Tulips ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಿಕ್ತಪ್ಪ? Those were real tulips?
I mean, I really wish real ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ I would have been really happy, but I found them on Amazon actually. And I tried to get the most real looking tulip and skirt. The reason there was a delay in the video shoot was because the dress didn't come to me. It took so long for it to come. ನಾನು ಬೇರೆದೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಕಪ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಬಟ್ it was like this was made for the song. So I waited, and just the right time bantu, and I was very happy.
For those of you who've not seen the video, Khandita Nodi, it's on Dwan Music YouTube channel. The video is so beautiful, with Tanusha in a beautiful white and pink dress with the pink tulips and the grasslands, as she said. It's simple video and yet so dreamy. Khandita nodlebeku, don't miss it. And tell me, were there any creative differences? Kirtan is also a musician, composer himself. So Kirtan, it set ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ disagreements, creative differences ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ.
That was luckily, the thing was, ನಾನು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ I was like I had a pressure also. Andriti, this was her first musical, first song as a composer and as a singer. Of course, she has sung so many songs, not that. But I was a bit in a pressure, like ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅವಳ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ದೆನ್ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಸೆಟ್ ದ ಪಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಾಂಗ್, ಯಾವ ಪಿಚ್ಚಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಈ ರೇಂಜ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಈವನ್ ದ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆಂಟ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್. ದೆನ್ ಕೇಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಿಚ್ಚಿಂಗ್, ನಾವು ಪಿಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. she was very particular. ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Then I was like, okay, ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು.
No, I've troubled him a lot. Even Aniket anta, mixing master engineer, he has been so patient. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ರು ನಂಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ ತರ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. My ears are so sensitive to certain things. I'm like, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು.
So we had more of drafts in terms of mixing and mastering. So A B C D E F G ಮತ್ತೆ 1 2 3 4 5 6 last ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ okay, this is the right exactly.
So any fun incidents during the shoot that you've experienced?
Fun incident.
Stress only very stress itta or only there was some fun?
No, actually there was no stress. The only thing was ಮಳೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. Luckily for that day it didn't rain. And I wanted it not to rain because I wanted a dreamy effect in the video. And ella onthara, it was very spontaneous. So he was also there helping me out, and Yashank was there. We found an amazing place. Aamele munde we just went and we found this beautiful landscape where, you know, he helped me with some dreamy effects, application of few things on the camera that gave a very dreamy effect. Naan sumne hogi nintkondu, I was just standing there and posing, and I had no clue it was so beautiful anta. And then they were like, just trust us anta heli. And they made me run a lot. That was the funniest.
Yeah, exactly.
And ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ, don't make me run. This skirt is pretty long and I'll fall anta. But they didn't stop. They were like non-stop. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡು ಅಂತ. And I actually chappal ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. I had to remove my slipper. So I got pricked also in that.
But still we didn't stop.
Of course we couldn't. Odi. I became a pro in running.
The next marathon, so you probably will see Tanusha running.
So shoot bandu, we were almost there for around half a day. We reached around early morning 5:30, 6 hange, and we were just waiting for the sunrise and everything. Madhyana tanka aitu, and then we were so hungry, almost like for 5-6 hours everybody were just standing and shooting, and we were just the four of us. There was another friend of Yashank, a videographer. So ನಾವು 4 ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಡ್ಕೊಂಡು they were really helpful, and we were so tired that we just wanted to eat after a point. And ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ she had packed for all the four of us, and then she had sent, so that was a very sweet moment namige, because ee tara ondara picnic spot tara aitu. So that was one good thing that we cherish a lot. The entire day was very memorable, and aವಾಗ ಅನ್ಸ್ತು ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ತುಂಬಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This is just the first product, right? Yeah, first step. The road is quite long, so like a lot of experience and motivation came up that day. So yeah,
Fantastic. How was it for you?
For me,
The shoot process, because you're a creative guy and he's always composing music. So video shooting andre mogleta interest itta, or you just did? This is the first one that you
no, nothing is ಅದರ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ನಂದು ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದೇರ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಗೈಡ್ ಆರ್ ಟು ಆಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಗೈಡ್, ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ನನಗೂ. ಐ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೈರಿಂಗ್, ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಫನ್. ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಶಿ ಸೆಡ್, ಹರ್ ಮದರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕುಕ್ಡ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್. ಪುಳಿಯೋಗರೆ ಈಗಲೂ ನೆನಪಿದೆ ನನಗೆ.
Okay, tell me, what was the menu?
the menu was puliyogre. We had bread jam.
Yeah.
We also had makhana and dry fruits, which we forgot to eat because we were so full 4 dabbis of puliyogre and bread
Exactly.
jam. That was the best. Bislali hashwadaga tumba khushi aitu. So yeah. And yeah, big thanks to Keertan. He's been an amazing support throughout. So yeah, very glad to have worked with him as well.
Same here.
So now I have a small rapid fire with you. Just 3 or 4 questions. So simple. Tanusha, for you first. What do you like? Tea or coffee?
I'm a tea person.
What is the kind of music you listen to?
I have multiple genres of music that I listen to. I listen to plain acoustic music. I also listen to a lot of Hindustani. There are different genres, ivaga Punjabi songs as well. I mean, I'm a music fan. There's no particular genre. I like everything.
If not a musician, what would you be?
Yeah, that's a trick question. That's quite tricky. Andre, I'm also interested in doing yoga. I was very much interested in physics actually. So that was another option. But I think that question would have, it never occurred to me because I was into music since my youth. Yeah. Since I was a child. So I thought barlila. So I knew music is my thing. Anta.
Your favorite composer?
My favorite composer. Again, very tricky one. Because ಅದು ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವು ಸಲ. AR ರೆಹಮಾನ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚರಣ್ ರಾಜ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಜನ್ಯ ಅವ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. There are so many. It'll be like a bit of an injustice if I just mention one or two, to be honest. So yeah.
What would your dream collaboration be?
So my dream collaboration is with AR Rahman. So yeah, that's one of my main dreams. So I'm looking forward to it hopefully someday. No.
Best wishes. So now over to Kirtan. Let's ask you your rapid fire questions.
Sure.
So if you were not a musician, what would you be?
I would be a banker, I believe, because I would like take my father's profession as seriously and do banking, like taking passbook.
Are you good with money?
I don't understand. Now I'm really bad. Like I only have music in my mind. So
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
morning, I go to yoga, and yeah, that's it.
What is the kind of music that you like?
If I want to say like quickly, it's Hindustani classical music. Cut ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು blues music.
Tea, coffee?
Tea.
Both of you tea. Oh, surprising. Karnatakaದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದು tea. Okay. Even I'm a tea. Same dream collaboration for you.
Dream collaboration. This is quite tricky. Of course, we have A.R. Rahman sir. But if I want to go abroad, I'm a big fan of Tom Misch. So I just want to meet him and just talk to him and just understand his process. Tom Misch is my idol. So.
Wow. Awesome. So we have a board for you. The day we had your concert, we made a board, right? What does Moha mean to you, Atta? A lot of people have written what does Moha mean to them. Before we go to that board, I want to ask you, what does Moha mean to you both personally? Tanusha, first you.
So Moha is basically so when I came up with this title or how the song should be, adella meaning hingirbeku anta bandaga, for me it was basically just being happy with what you have around you. So I mean, we always tend to run behind things that we don't have yet, but allige reach agಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we have to first understand that it's a process. So Moha for me is a beginning, and it's like a process that leads to something that is destined for you and is in full alignment in your life. So that is Moha for me.
Beautifully said. Kirtan, nimge what does Moha mean to you?
It's the same thing. Control C, Control V.
Control C andre control your desires, or Control C, Control V, literally Control C?
Yeah, as he said, like it's a very deep song and meaning behind it, and the process behind it that resonates. Whatever she said, it's the same thing that resonates me as well. That's it, I believe.
Okay, let's go to the board and read what the audience has to say about Moha. Bani hogana. Okay, guys, who's going to do the honors first?
I'll go first. Um, this is nice. It says currently accepting life advice only from Moha. This is great.
This looks like a kid. Pragalpa. She's done this little cute drawing.
That's cute.
Moha lovely. Moha is lovely. Okay.
Okay.
Then which one do you want to pick?
What to pick? Look at this. Moha, silent, simple, super. It's a good song sung by Tanusha. Very good. Keep it up. Very inspiring.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Anisha, which one do you want to pick up now?
I'll go with this. It says a beautiful girl with a beautiful voice and a heavenly song. What a feeling this was. All the best. My Tanu. So it's from my friend Shivani. So
That's lovely. This is soulful lyrics, soulful composition, soulful music, soulful singing. I agree to all of that.
Okay. Which one? I'll take that one.
This one?
Okay. My YouTube history will be Moha. Episode 1 to infinity.
This is so cute.
Nice.
Hey, this is cute. You want to bring this out?
this song will pay my emotional bills.
Oh.
Did you ever imagine it's going to be this?
No, really. I don't. It was very innovative as well. Yeah.
Yeah. Kirtan, Yagu, next.
Yeah. Which
This
one?
is nice.
Okay. A very amazing song. It actually made me feel my surrounding live in front of me. That love is incredible. Yeah.
This one, Moha, is beyond the universe, journey through the world, trying to find your true self.
Wow.
Ah, so deep.
Very nice.
Yeah, this looks something. It's not a song, it's my relationship status. Okay.
Somebody is really good.
Yeah, definitely. Moha was simply an inward transcendence, a high within. Very thoughtful.
This song is sponsored by Repeat.
Cute. This says stop chasing and start appreciating and being grateful.
Wow.
Moha connects world inside Moha today we experienced in this song.
Gave
Chills.
us little chills.
Such a
Such a dreamy video.
yeah.
So, thank you everyone for your lovely comments. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಲವ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದಿ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ
Yeah.
Sure.
ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸಮ್ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ವರ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಡೀಪ್ ಸಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸೋ ಫನಿ ತುಂಬಾ ನಕ್ಕಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಯಾ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೋಹ ಮೋಹ ಹಾಡಿನ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕಥೆ ಏನಿತ್ತು ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ತನುಷಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೀರ್ತನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲವ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Very grateful to be a part of this. So thank you, Dwar Music, Vijay Prakash sir, Mahathi ma'am, VP Culture Club. So thank you for all the support. And the song Moha is out on YouTube on Dwar Music. So ನೀವು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಂಡ್ ಅದೇ ಈ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you so much.
Thank you everybody. Hope you liked it. Stay tuned to Dwar Music YouTube channel. ಏನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ ದ್ವಾರ್ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. And we'll keep coming with interesting musicians like Kirtan, Tanusha, and ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೂ if you feel you have a musician and you have a song that you want to share, please contact us at
dwarmusic@gmail.com.
This was Beyond Music with Dwar Music. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.